Got an Earth Dog off a Marketplace. You need tires. They have some little Harbor Freight tires they had on there. Just that over there. Got an original tire right here. So we're gonna try to get it going. Missed the tank. So we switching the tank. Cleaned the carburetor. So we'll be back when we fired up. Put this tank on there. Be right back. We'll put this carburetor back on here, but it only runs on choke, so we just gonna let it run out of gas. It start right up, but we need another carburetor. The carburetor real gunked up. We'll be back. Running. That's pretty good. Let it run out of gas. Back when we get that other carburetor tomorrow. It's getting dark right now. Put a little tire in the front. Just to roll it off. Start it. Just to drive it out from here. We'll move on its own power. Be back. Still running. Yeah, we just have to fix this whole cable. It wasn't connected, so we're doing that. We'll put all this back together. But it's gonna rain right now. It's the Earth Dog. The tires on there. Put new tubes in the tires. Let it hold up. Front and back. Just to make sure steering works great. We got a little squeaks with it, but they usually do that anyway. The steering wheel got a little friction on it. Let's move that off and paint it. We'll take it for a run today. It's a little early right now. Just got up. Take it for a run. We'll be back. When we started up. Be back. This here I cleaned it up a little bit. I'm gonna paint it, but you'll see top and bottom. I rode it. The bearing froze up on that wheel. It broke off. Got stuck in the neighborhood, so I put one of the plastic or whatever material. They don't stand up to it's spinning that fast and turning and all that. So I put that on temporarily. I'm gonna get the regular bearings, the ball bearings. They work better. So I got the same other one plastic thing right here. Have all that plate, see that one like that broken the back. So they be moving with this stuff right here. So I like the regular ball bearings, I tighten it down real tight, make sure that wheel don't come off. We got this shit right here. Got all these bugs around here now. It's been nighttime, so but it's just a little update of it. It's running good. It's in good shape. We just need to get them bearings and we'll paint it. Paint it up. Be back. Yeah, we bought these packs. Got these right here. Put them in. Basically just tapping them up in there. I'm gonna damage it with this right here. It's a little mallet. Make sure I ain't mess with it. It's flush up in there. Put them over here on the edge. I try to hit it on the edges though. Go up in there. Yeah, perfect. Right? Shit. There's one right there, so I'm gonna take this other one off and do the same. Be right back when I pull it off. And pop these up right here. All the way through. These pretty much sit up in there. You just tap them a little bit. And you got a little bit of stuff right there. You gotta get that. No, this is the one that messed up. So I gotta get my file and file it down. So messed up a little bit. Be right back. Let me go get my file. Yeah, we just gotta finish filing this off. We got it flush now. Got a little piece sticking out right there. Bearing, as long as the bearing go up and down. Knock it up and I'll see if it goes. Success. Yep. Get a video of riding this one. Test it out. I gotta adjust the throttle. Well, I'm gonna leave it right there because I'm gonna love riding it. So this the go kart is rolling down the street. Yeah. Painted it with the blue, with the red. My niece go kart. Put the little touch up.